Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can download and install MS Office free of cost. So first of all we will have to go to the search on Google and type Office deployment tool, and from here just click on the very first option. Here you will see the download option. Just hit on download. Save this folder. Now as you can see, this folder has been downloaded. Click here on this arrow button and click on show in folder. Now what you have to do is create a new folder, give it a name, anything, whatever you want, Office 2021. Now just click on the software we just installed and right click and then cut it. And we just created this folder Office 2021. Just open this folder and paste it here. Now right click on this and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Check this and continue. Now you have to look for the folder where you created uh, the file. So I went into downloads, this PC, downloads, Office 2021, click OK. So the file has been extracted. Now we'll delete the top three files because they are not useful for us. And now what you have to do is press shift button and right click from your mouse, and here you can see open PowerShell window here. Okay, so what you have to do is I'm gonna give you a code which you have to paste it here. So I have written that code in my notepad. You just have to copy this and go to the PowerShell and right click from your mouse, and when you right click from your mouse you will see this option. Just hit yes and the software installation will start. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. As you can see, the installation has been successfully finished. You are all set. Office is installed now, so just close it, close this as well, and now search for the file, like whatever you want. If you want to open the Word file, click on Word and Office LTSC will start. You can do whatever you want, like you can type and you'll see everything is working, nothing is blur, so it's all working. uh, just one sec. If you want to see Excel, so this is also working. Type whatever you want and all the options are available. See, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.